Each year in America, over 9 million new life insurance policies are purchased. In total, Americans spend over $151 billion in premiums, providing about $3 trillion worth of coverage. That's a lot of life insurance. And you know what? Not one policy was purchased for the benefit of the policyholder. Not one. The $3 trillion of coverage is focused on the needs of others. Life insurance can provide the cash, the security, and the income for your family when you are no longer there to provide it for them. Because life is always changing, your family's needs may be changing too. Many households are actually underinsured and underprotected and could benefit from additional coverage. Proper life insurance is the cornerstone of a family's financial plan. It's important to get it right. So ask yourself these questions. Do I have the right amount of coverage? Am I with the right insurance company? With the right kind of policy? To get the right answers, work with us to see how you can. Protect the lifetime needs of those you love and leave a proper legacy that lasts long beyond your years.